Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing my closet tour and organization tips with you. I hope you like this video and get some ideas to organize your closet. So here's an overview of my closet. So this is the cubicle area. I just have all my Daisy clothes here I like to keep, and that area is a little messy there. And on this side, I just like to hang all my American clothes like dresses, tunics, and stuff. So this is kind of messy too. It needs to be organized, and there are a lot of empty hangers in there. So first I'm just going to empty out all my clothes and refold them and then put them back in the shelf. So at the bottom I like to keep this empty bin, and I like to keep my scarves in here. So here's an example how I like to fold my scarves. So this is like a donut shape. So I saw a Netflix series, it's called The Home Edit, and in that they show a lot of organization stuff, and that's where I learned how to fold these scarves as a donut, and I really like this idea of keeping my scarves like that. So I have been keeping all of my scarves like that instead of hanging them. Yeah, and I thought I'll share that with you guys. So after that, I'm just going to fold my jeans and put them in the cubicle. I've been liking my jeans folded nowadays, so I have been doing that. And then now you guys just seeing me to folding all my clothes. I'm just looking at them. What are the fancy clothes and what are like some cotton ones that I can wear in summertime or springtime. So I'm just sorting those out. And also I took out some clothes that I will be hanging so I can iron them and I can wear them this summer. So after done organizing my clothes, I'm going to be organizing my jewelry in this jewelry organizer I just got from Amazon. So I have all of these earrings that I have that were sitting in a box that I was not wearing as much because they were just hiding in a box and I never get to see them as much. So I decided to get this acrylic earring organizer so I can hang all of them, and they will be easier for me to just see them and what kind of earrings I have, and I will get more use out of them. So I thought this was really pretty. And then I also got these backupper earrings thing, and I don't know what the name is for. So I found that on Kohl's and I got those. So some of my earrings were missing that, so I used that. And then here are all my earrings. So I hung some on one side, and I'm also showing here that I also hung some on the back because there was a lot of holes, so I didn't want it to crowd it up. And then here is more earrings. I really love these peacock ones. My sister-in-law sent those. And then this one is new earrings too I haven't worn. These are by Rung De Dil. I found a page on Instagram. And then here are just some stud earrings and my rings. And then in the last drawer, I have all my anklets. So yeah, I'm just going to be placing the jewelry box in my first cubicle, I thought. And then I also got this bangle organizer from Amazon, and I really thought that looked so pretty too. So I put that over there. So now I'm just putting all my folded clothes that I folded earlier, and just organizing the cubicles with my purse and just figuring out how to fill the cubes with the things I already have. So I will be explaining everything, what I put everywhere in the tour. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Okay guys, so now once everything is clean and organized, let me give you a tour of my closet. So on this side I have my winter clothes and jackets at the back in the corner, and then how I organize these are like light jackets, and then some full sleeve clothes like I like to wear in summer and springtime, and then here's just some Caminos, and then I added all of my dresses here, and then after that these are just some tunics, and these are some summer pants. And then on this shelf I don't really keep anything here except these baskets. So I just have my Adidas hats in here and then some winter hats. And then on this side I just put some command hook and hung my purses that I have. So I have this pink one, I have a Michael Kors one, I also have that pink one I have not used. I have this gray one, but I have not used this one as well as much. And then I also have this black one for summer. And then I just hung some hangers for extra clothes. And then I also have these shoe organizers here. I shared that in my Amazon video. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. And I love these. Some of these shoes I have not worn yet, so I keep them in here. So I just have some kusas here. I have not worn. They're just some plain kusas. And then I found these really nice nude heels from DSW by Kelly and Kate. These are just some Snickers. Those are from Walmart. And also these orange shoes I also found from DSW. They were on clearance. And this is by the brand Guess. And that one, I had some shoes that I took out and wore it already, so that's why it's empty. And in this bucket, I just have my miscellaneous stuff and some feminine care. Hat, I just have it on the top. And on the bottom, I just have all my albums in here. And then in this bucket, I just keep some extra Jonimas. And then on this corner, I also have this command hook. I also put some extra of my hats. The very top, I just have a basket. I have some clothes in there, are extras just there and there. And then this is just my filing cabinet. And then you come to on the other side of the door. This is just a container. I just have some stuff in there. And these are just my bags, and there's some other bags shoved in there that I'm storing. And then this is the Coach bag I'm currently using, so I kept it there. And here's some jewelry organizer that I have some jewelry in right now. And then as you move down to the cubicle, so in this cubicle I just have these two drawers that I got from Amazon, and I had the jewelry in there that I organized in this shelf. So these are empty for now, so they're just there. I have no idea what to put in them right now. And then on this caddy, I just have some elastic there for if I need it, and like all the little things you need to sew your clothes or stuff like that. So I just have some needles and a thread there, and this is a lint roller, and I have this little scissor I got from Dollar Tree, and this is the measuring tape. So that's what's in that cubicle. And then in this one, I put the jewelry organizer I just set up earlier, and then I put my Sony speaker here that I was not using, so I thought I'll put it here and then I will use it. And then that plant I already had from Five Below, so I decided to keep that over there. And then at the next cubicle, I just put my clothes here so it will balance out. So these are all my Daisy clothes, and then next to it I put this bracelet holder. I have to get more of my bangles from downstairs, but now I just had these because I wore them. Could not fit these little jumkeys in the jewelry organizers because they're really big, so I decided to hang them here. And then at the back is just my Michael Kors bag. And then if you come down, and then I put more of my clothes there folded. And then I like to fold my jeans, so I put them there. And then there are more clothes down there. And then the last bin, I just have these this clear basket I got from Home Goods. And I put all of my scarves in here, shaped in a donut, so they're easy to access and easy to store, and I like that idea, so that's what I keep in there. I hope you enjoyed my closet tour and the little bit of organization I did today, and hope you got some ideas to organize your closet. And if you did, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, so I know that you guys like these kind of organization video, so I will make more. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!